Morning, good morning. Mm. Morning. See if we have any economic data today. We have home sales at 10. We got a Chicago Fed speaking at 9. Tuesday we got durable goods. Initial jobless claims on Thursday. I think the market is closed on Friday, if I'm not mistaken. Should be closed on Friday. Nothing major today or this whole week besides jobless claims on Thursday, but nothing major today. So see, give me a second. Yeah, I'm not seeing much today in regards to news. Today's the 25th. All right, so the market is down today. ES is down 0.30%. The Nasdaq is down 0.50%. 0.50%. The Dow is down 0.18%, and the Russell is down 0.05%. Are you guys able to hear me? If you guys are able to hear me, let me know in the chat. Okay. So for ES, I don't like that we are between no levels. If you guys, as you guys can see here, the daily, the daily could pretty much pull back all the way down into 5236.75, and it would still be a higher low. So ES has room all the way down into 5236.75. I'm not sure if it's going to hit it because we're between levels. I don't like the trade when we're in between levels. I really don't. I don't like it very much. So what you can do is you can use the opening print. The opening print is whatever the stock or equity, whatever future, whatever price it opens at. You should give you guys an example on Friday. You guys can see this is the opening print. ES open at this is the level, and you can pretty much take trades off the opening. As you can see, this Friday we opened. ES came back and rejected the opening. You can take some puts today and then target all the way down into 5236, or you can over the opening. I would say for me to look for calls, I needed to break. Matter of fact, let me see. You can take some calls off the opening if it breaks and holds the opening. I guess you can take some calls and you can target 5305 or 5321. But I personally don't like when it opens between two levels, so I'm pretty much not interested in trading ES. By the way, SPY follows the ES, so let me see. So let me write that down. Gap down, ES gap down between levels. We have a level above at 5305.25 and a level below at 5236.76. So if you are going to take some type of setup, take some type of setup, take it off the opening, whether it's a rejection or a break and retest. Look at the NASDAQ. AMD and INTC chips banned in China. What? Really? I don't believe you. No way. Don't make no sense. Okay. The NASDAQ, we have a gap under red on the daily. So let me mark Friday's low. So this could be marked as the low. It's gonna be in yellow. So since there's a gap under green on the NASDAQ, you can take I would say a retest of you can have to take it off. I would say a retest of 185.33 back under the opening. It has room down to 182.61.75. To be interested in calls, NQ needs to break and hold. I would say it needs to break and hold over 186.10. You can target 187.03.5. I think that's pretty much. After that is the all-time high is 187.09. So video probably about to hit. Yeah, that's weird that AMD is gonna be banned. Interesting. Very interesting. Look at the Dow. Dow. Same thing. Gap between levels. Not interested in taking any setups. Gap between levels. Not interested in any setups. The Russell's not bad. It's not showing as much weakness as the rest. So I would say for the Russell, I would say a break and hold over 2102.8. It has room up to, I would say it got room up into what, 2130? All right, let's see how the VIX is looking. Tap up on the VIX. Okay. See how gold is looking. So gold, if it breaks and hold over 121.76.5, gold has room up into 2210.7. Look at Bitcoin. Nice gap up on Bitcoin. I like it. I like this gap up on Bitcoin. Very nice gap up. Very nice gap up. Very nice. I would say, let me show you guys. I would say a break over 69,550. It has room up to 71,610. And then 73.35. And then the all-time high is going to be, if you look at the daily, what's the all-time high? I think it's 74,415. So that's Bitcoin. Let's look at Apple. Apple, not really interested in, but it keeps holding the zone here. Apple though, let's look at keeps holding the zone. Let me show you guys. So around the zone here, it keeps holding it. This is the land in the sand right here, this green zone here. It needs to hold that. So the uh, Microsoft. I would say, I guess you can scalp it for some puts. If I'd open it, opens under the level and rejects it, you can scalp some puts that's 422.23 and then potentially 419.5. For calls, I needed to, I would say break and hold over 410.16. 430.16, and it has room up until pretty much all-time highs again. It's nothing really in the way. Nvidia, ooh, I like Nvidia. Really liking Nvidia. So I would say Nvidia and open over for 945.04. Or like an open, let me show you guys. Look at the daily, look at the daily. We break the zone here, this level. It has room up into 974 and then potentially 1,000. You could potentially hit 1,000, especially if with that news Tiffany just said. So very likely. So I would love if Nvidia will open over this level. I want it to open over the level, spike lower, then back over the opening, and then we could take some calls. We could target 972. So Nvidia and open and hold over 945.04. Spike lower, back over the open. I would say an open and hold over and look for calls. It has room up to 972.24 and then potentially 1,000. So I'm really liking Nvidia, not bad, especially after that news Tiffany told me. Tesla. Hmm. Tesla. What are we gonna do with you, man? Hmm. What are we gonna do with you, Tesla? What are we gonna do with Tesla? I would say Tesla still looks kind of weak, man. So I would say it puts a rejection of 169.36 rejection. So I would say an open below this level, spike up, back under. I would say you can look for puts. It has room down into 166.65 and then potentially 161.83. So Tesla, and open under 169.36. And open under, spike higher, back under the open. You can look for puts. That has room down to 166.65, then 161.83. Tesla. We do need some puts today. That Tesla's gonna be it. Okay, let's zoom out. Netflix. I like Netflix if we get a break and hold a break and hold over 631.54. It has room up to 646, 646, 646.21. Let's look at Meta. Oh, Meta. I would like Meta if it can break and hold over 510.84, and it has room up into 521.04. Amazon, Amazon keeps playing games, man. I need that break of 180.17. Let's look at Roku. Not interested. Google. Not really interested. AMD. Oh, AMD. I would say AMD, if it fails, let me show you guys. I would say AMD a break and hold on the 172.15. AMD got a lot of room lower, man. It got room all the way down into 162.53. So AMD a break and hold under 172.15. 172.15 has room down to 162.53. I would say trim some at 167.07. It's AMD. BA. A nice little breakout on BA. Let me see if there's any news on it. Updates, chairman, commercial airplane changes in the second through fifth. Boeing said Monday the chief they intends to step down as the end. Okay, so the chief's expecting to step down. Nothing crazy. I'm not really a fan of trading BA, man. BA moves crazy. Let's look at Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs. It's a potential daily 123. So I would say if it breaks the high, I would say if it breaks the high of Friday's high, which is 416.76, you can take some calls. You can target 425.56, or let me show you guys. Or you can also take it's gonna be a little riskier, but you get more buck for your, you can take a break and hold over 409.66. You can look for calls. You can target 414, 416, and then you can hold some to 425.56. It's going to be GS. HD. Not interested. Coin. So coin. I would say coin. I would say a retest and hold of 259.83. Can look for calls. It has room up to 273.59, then 281.69, and then potentially 288.97. 288.97. Cat, not interested. FedEx. I would say if it retests and rejects, my eyes itchy. If it rejects 282.54, if it rejects it, then it has room down to 276.93. If it breaks and hold back over 286.88, and it has room to 293.63. Then potentially I would say 300. FedEx. PS. Not interested. CRM. I'm only interested in CRM. For calls, if it breaks and holds over 310.82, then it has room to 316.69. But an open under 307.09, if it opens under, Anthony, it can set up the potential lower high here on the daily. It could set up a potential lower high here on the daily. Then it has room down to 302.16. Get Baidu. Hmm. Not really interested. JP Morgan. Crowd. To be interested in crowd, I need a break and hold over 339.8. So it's the only way I would be interested in calls. QCOM. Not interested. Disney. Hmm. Not really a fan of trading Disney. Twillo. Not interested. Baba. Not really interested. It has room down to 71.08, but nothing major. PayPal. TSM. Mm-mm. Airbnb. Airbnb. mm, I would say over 169.99 and got room to 173.37 and 177.19, but nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. MU. MU has just been it's pretty much just been flagging on a daily over 114. I would say 114.39 and got a lot of room. I would say it got room up into 120 because it's just bull flagging. Shop. I would say shop if it rejects this 78.45, it got room down to 75.53. MPH, PNW, nothing crazy. FCX, um, I would say ZOM if it opens over 113.81 and if it opens and holds over 113.81, then it has room into 114.87, then 115.27, then 116.17. So ZOM doesn't look bad at all. Nine ZOM, Oxy, Lulu. Watch out for that giant step. It's a Lulu. You. Hmm. Spot. Not interested. Dash. Not interested. ABGO. AVGO, if it puts in that lower high here in the daily, you guys can see, then it potentially has room down. If it rejects this 1349.89, if it rejects it, then it has room down to 1308.33, then 1292.52. So TTD, Oracle, SLR, Nike, not interested. Doku, not interested. LMT. I would say, man, this joint got a lot of room higher, man. I would say got a whole lot of room. If it can stay and hold, if it can retest and hold over 445.89, then it got room up into 459.57. So LMC got us a lot of room. So I would say an open, and hold over 445.89. It has room up to 459.57. I would say trim at 450. I would say trim some at 450. MSTR. mm, MSTR has room up into 1667.51 and over 1684.84. Then has room up into 1797.89. Go to MCD. Palantir. I'm really interested. Myrna. Myrna. I would say. If it can open and hold over 106.75, Myrna, then it has room up into 111.86. So that's not a bad setup. And not interested. SMCI. I would say to be SMCI, if it can break and hold over 986, then you got room up until 1123.35. Look at ARM. Not really interested in it as of now. Target. Nope. Adobe. Nope. EDD. Nope. Well, PDD, I say if it can break and hold over 125.03, and it has a lot of room higher. You got room all the way up into 148.44. 148.44. So got a small level here at say 133.09. So over 125.03 it can hold, and it got room up into 133.09 and potentially 148.44. Pretty much done with my watch list, guys. Any names you guys want me to watch? I mean, to chart for you guys? Let me know. You guys, are you guys able to watch the is this live stream look good? Okay, looks good. Let me know if you guys want me to chart anything for you guys. Just say you need to change the video resolution. The current resolution is 3840 by 2160, which is not supported for this. The expected video resolution is 2560 by 14. Let me take a picture of that. Maybe that'll make it a little better next time. You say you missed Amazon. Can you do it again? Yeah, big homie. Amazon. Amazon's not really doing anything today. So I needed the for Amazon for me to be interested in calls. I needed to break and hold over 180.17. If it can break, so if it can do this, if it can like break, it can break it and then come retest it and hold, and then you can look for calls. And it has room all the way up into 185.69. You could have 1440 point. Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm gonna have to edit that once I finish the stream. Anything else you guys want me to go over? Really liking NVIDIA weekend. I really wanted to open over 495.04 though. I really need that open over the level. I bet. I'm liking NVIDIA. What was it? Netflix. It needs to, I would say it needs to break and hold over 61. 63154. On if we can get the retest of 259.83 and hold, then it has room up into 273.59. I mean, they got a lot of room higher. I'll say Tesla for puts and AMD for puts. I'll say AMD needs to break this 172.15. Has room up to. Oof. Let me know any stocks you guys want me to chart for you. Let me know. So right now I'm writing the watch list for my Discord members. Every morning I write a watch list for my members. Boom shakalaka. Come on, guys. Come on. You guys don't got any more questions? You guys a couple minutes. If not, I'll end the live stream. Gotta fix my hotkeys, man. Like the way you work it, no diggity. Daily on arm doesn't look bad. Flagging as well. Weekly looks good as well. So arm has arm pretty much got the potential to go all the way back up into 164. Keep an eye on arm. Again, I think it's a short week, so take it easy this week. Size down. If you don't see any A plus setups, then might as well not even trade. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for your time. Hopefully, you guys good luck trading today, and God bless. Man. Peace out.